Hello and welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video, I will show you how to add subtitle to a video using AI. So let's begin the video. Open your web browser, search for Clipchamp, click here. Now, once you are on the website, click on Try for free and sign up with a Google account. Now click on Create a new video. It will open the editing interface. Drag and drop your media file here. Now drag it into the timeline. At the top right corner of your screen, click on the caption button. Then click on transcript media. You can select the video language from here. Click on the drop down menu and select the language. After selecting the language, click on transcript media. Wait for few seconds to generate your caption. Make sure this is turned off. Now play the video and you will see the subtitle here. If you click on the subtitle, you will find the font color settings on the right side of your screen. Click here and choose the font. After you satisfied with the settings, click on export. Select the video quality and there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.